In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Mailchimp. Using GIFs in your email campaigns is a simple yet powerful way to make your messages more engaging, visually appealing, and dynamic. They help capture attention quickly and can communicate ideas or emotions more effectively than plain text alone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can easily enhance your Mailchimp emails. To begin, open your browser and log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure your login details are ready so you can access your dashboard without any interruptions. Once you're inside, you will be taken to the main control panel where all your campaigns and marketing tools are managed. From the navigation menu, locate the Campaign section. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu, then click on All Campaigns. This will display a full list of every email campaign you have created within your account. Carefully browse through the list and select the specific campaign you want to edit. Click on it to open the campaign, and then choose the Edit option to enter the editing mode. Once you're inside the editor, scroll down until you reach the Content section. Here, you will find the option labeled Edit Design. Click on it to open Mailchimp's email editor, where you can customize the layout and visual elements of your campaign. Inside the editor, decide exactly where you want to place your GIF. This is done by selecting the appropriate content block within your email layout. Each block represents a different section of your email, allowing you to structure your message clearly and effectively. Click on the block where you want the GIF to appear. Next, select the Image block option. This step is important because it prepares the section for inserting visual content. After selecting it, click on Upload an Image. You will now have the option to add an image from your computer or choose a GIF directly through Mailchimp's integrated tools. If you want to use a GIF library, locate the option on the left panel that allows you to access a built-in GIF search tool. This feature gives you access to a wide range of animated images that you can use to enhance your email content. Browse through the available GIFs and select the one that best fits your message and tone. Once you have chosen your GIF, click on Insert to place it into your email. The GIF will now appear inside your selected content block. At this point, it is very important to preview your email to ensure everything looks correct and displays properly across different devices. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Mailchimp email, making it more engaging and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.